Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this adorable little treat box, trinket box, gift box, what have you. It's a fun little size, super simple. This one I made with pattern paper. This one I made with just a cardstock that I stamped an image onto, added a button, opens it up, and you can see it's a good size in there. You can probably fit a few trinkets, some candies, what have you. So there's that one, and then this one here out of the cardstock. So you can either make it out of paper or cardstock. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Inside the Silhouette Studio software, now to get my design, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on Library. This is where all of my designs are. On the left hand side, I created all these folders. I also made one called Videos, and I put the design in there so it was easier for me to find for you guys. And if I click on the little square that pops up, you can see it brings up a preview or a picture of what the box looks like. It tells me what it's called. It is a 3D bracket flap favor box. It is by Lori Whitlock. The design ID is 37557. I will also have the link below to Lori's shop in case you want to purchase the SVG. So if you have a Cricut or a Brother Scan and Cut, you can cut the box out as well. Now to bring the design to our work area, I'm going to just double click on it and you can see it here. Now it does look like you're able to cut this out using a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, or you can use a pattern cardstock like I did. Alright, so there's my design. Now to cut it out, just go to the upper right hand corner and click on Send. I'm going to hook up my Cameo machine, cut this out, go to the table, and put the box together. Alright, we are back guys. My image is cut out, and what I did is I just made my own pattern paper by using Stampin' Up! This is the soft seafoam cardstock along with the soft seafoam ink, and I just stamped an image on there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and fold in all those score marks and come back with our bone folder to give it a better crease. So you can either use a pattern cardstock or a cardstock that you have. Alright, let's take our bone folder. This is a good size box. It could probably fit nail polish in here, some trinkets, some candies. Alright, so we have all of that. Let's get the top one. Alright, now if you look at our box, we have the two side panels. You will see there's like a triangle here. You do want to take your fingers, not your bone folder, just take your fingers and go in there and score them and kind of make them go both directions. There's also the bottom of the triangle. You want to grab that piece as well. This part on the side is what creates this little indent here on our box. Just kind of get them going. Do the same for this one over here. And that little bottom one as well. Okay, now we're going to take our flap right over here and grab our glue. I'm using Barely Art glue. And you want to put a thin line of glue, but you do want to go all the way to the edge, so the cut edge as well as the folded edge. This way our box goes together nicely. And just take this part and just bring it over here. And this will lay flat, so you can push it flat and just kind of give it a rub while the glue works and adheres. Okay. Alright, so there's our box, all nicely glued. Now we have the bottom and our four sides. So we look at the bottom, we have this part here, looks like the bottom half of an H. We're going to put that down first, then our sides are going to go down next, then this little piece is going to go inside the box. So just kind of push it in there, and it goes. Then you go on the inside, put your hands in there, and just kind of push it down. If you're using a pattern cardstock, you can always measure the bottom, and then put another piece of cardstock on the inside to make the box bottom more durable. Now we're just going to push in on our sides, and then squeeze. And then we're going to take this little thing, this little flap here, goes inside that piece here. And that easily our box goes together. Really, really cute. Alright, now to decorate it, on this box I did use ribbon. I don't have any more ribbon or ribbon that I like the color, so I'm just going to use yarn. As a crocheter, I have plenty of yarn. And this is just regular white acrylic yarn. And I'm going to attempt to tie a bow. I'm not the best at tying a bow, and you're probably going to be witness of that in a minute, but we're going to give it a go. Alrighty, got that. And I'm just going to fiddle with it for a little bit, make my loops smaller by just pulling the tails. Get them how I like them. I'm also going to push this up. I'm going to push it up to where that score mark is, so it's not so much at the bottom and I can have more of my tail. Okay, just like that. I think that looks pretty cute. Take our scissors and cut off the extra. Look at that. First time I made a bow. I'm actually impressed. Alright, now for a little button. The button's just decorative. I do not have a white button. You would think as a sewer I would have white buttons. I do, just not the right size. This one I'm going to say maybe about 3/4 of an inch. This is like super little. It's just a clear button, and I just went ahead and threaded some of the same white yarn through it. And that's going to go right below the opening where the little point is. Just as like a little added touch there, and you can push on that so the person you're giving the box to knows where to open it up. Okay, and like I said, it's good enough size. I'm not sure, let me see if I got anything over here. Okay, a roll of dog bags. Okay, they're about a little over 2 inches. And if I stand that up, you can see it standing up in there, hopefully. My box still closes, no issue. So it can hold dog bags if you want, but I'm guessing it could probably hold some nail polish, maybe a gift card. Do I have a gift card near me? Let's see, the gift card might be kind of tight. Nope, gift card. So you can put gift card in there. Just a really cute box to give to a friend or a coworker, sister, whoever. But really fun, super easy. All right, that is our Silhouette Cameo project for today. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.